Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I am Yashasvi Sanghvi, the owner of Anu Art and Craft Studio, Indore. Take a second and do subscribe my YouTube channel, follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook. So today we are going to transform a old stool to a new one in just easy step with just basic materials. So stay tuned. We are using chalk paints, the shade Cypress Green and the shade Khag Moss. You will also be needing some paint brushes. Now for the first step, I am using a sanding block. You can even use a sandpaper, whichever is easily available in your locality. Now you have to sand the stool from top, sides, bottom, edges, everywhere. As you can see, I am sanding every bit of the stool to give it a plain and smoother surface. You need to smooth the surface before working on the final project. Now I am taking both the colors. First I am going to take my paintbrush and I'll take some color in my lids. Both the shades you need to take evenly and we will start painting the top. Now we are painting the top. I am first taking the Cypress Green color and I will apply the color on one side. Make sure that you apply the color evenly. Now I am taking the second shade Khag Moss and I'll do wet shading. As you can see, I am just mixing the colors while they both are wet. Now in the same manner, we are going to paint the complete stool top. Now again I am taking the green color. And you can see that I am totally mixing up the shades. So similarly, you have to repeat the process until you cover the whole top. Keep repeating the same process as I told to complete the top area. We are almost done with the top. Now do not forget to paint the sides, the bottom base, the legs of the stool, whatever portion, whatever furniture you are taking, you need to cover it completely with the chalk paint. You can give shading with two colors as you did on the top, as I am doing here in the video. Just make sure that not a single part is left unpainted. So now I'll quickly finish my painting part. As you can see, I am painting it from the inside also. The legs, everything should be covered with the help of chalk paints to give the makeover to your stool. As the stool I am working on is almost 18 inches in height and the top is also around 16 inches, it's a huge stool, so it takes a lot of time to paint this. By using the same technique of painting, you can do the makeover of any old wooden furniture you have at your home just by sanding the surface and applying the chalk paint. So I am just about to finish my stool. And our stool is done. Now I am taking the Stuart House brown color and the wax brush. I'll just dab my brush onto the color. Now I'll dab the brush again on the lid to remove the excess color, and now I am going to just give the dry brush strokes on my stool. You need to give these dry brush strokes on all the four sides of the stool just to give it a vintage look. So I am just repeating the process on all the four sides by dabbing my brush and applying the dry strokes. Now once you apply the strokes on all the four sides, you can just take your brush and apply it all over, just to give it a vintage look. Now we are done with the dry brushing on the top of the stool. I am just giving the finishing strokes. Now I am taking a 12 by 12 mandala stencil. I am going to place it on the center. I'll be using the white chalk paint. I'll again take my wax brush, take the color, dab the excess, and I am going to stencil this print on the center. Dab your brush onto the stencil to get a perfect print. Make sure that you do not use excessive paint, else your print will get spoiled. I am just rolling the brush on the stencil to make sure that the pattern which is coming is even. Now just slowly move up your stencil and check whether the pattern has came nice or not. As you can see, what a wonderful effect we have got. Now we will be using the same stencil to give corners to our stool. So I'll place the stencil diagonally, and as you can see, I am just covering one corner of my stool. You have to repeat this process on all the four sides of the stool. Now we have to provide the edging with the white color. Also give a bit of dry brushing of white on the top of the stool. As you can see, such a beautiful makeover we have done till now. Now for the sides, I am using the khak moss color, and first I am giving the edging. You have to give the edging on all the four sides. Once you are done with the edging, I am taking a mini 4x4 stencil and I am going to create random stenciling all over the legs of the stool. As you can see, I am leaving spaces behind just to create a random and abstract pattern. You have to repeat this complete process on all the legs of your stool. Now I am just rubbing my brush all over the legs of the stool to give it a mixed effect. Now I am using a spray varnish to seal my project. You have to just spray it all over where you have applied your paint, on the top, edges, bottom, legs, everywhere. Make sure that you spray this from a distance. And our stool is done. You can see the detailed stenciling we did on the legs and the dry brushing we did on the edges. Now comes the top, the corner stenciling, the center stenciling, the strokes, everything, and the varnish giving a lustrous look. And this is the complete makeover. Can you just compare the two photographs before and after? What a wonderful transformation we did in just simple steps. So here is the final outcome of the transformation we did in just few minutes with just basic supplies. As you can see, the vintage, distressed and old look of this old table, we created a beautiful decor piece. I hope you enjoyed my video and you are going to try it for sure. So do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Keep creating and keep watching. Thank you.